Diski Parliament, my people, my beautiful people, as I promised, which I will see you on the next episode. This is the next episode. Welcome back, Bafetu. Sanamgela Nonge. If you are new here, this is Diski Parliament. We talk about anything and everything Diski related. Njengoba nathi Bafethu ukuthi I'm not alone in this parliament. We have another member of Diski Parliament today with me. Excel, folks.
Hey folks, kambani folks, sure folks.
Ngiyaconza folks.
Konke kumnandi folks, kumnandi. Silungile ready folks for ukuthi
Utholakala folks. Akusakwadi.
hey folks,
Akusakwadi folks. Akwedala.
sezozinto mazezongxakanyana nje folks esifuna ukulungiswa phana pha.
Yeah, span folks, sibambile. Ngenzama span.
Ish folks.
Yeah, but otherwise folks afandahe kumele sikhulume. A lot is happening. A lot has happened.
Kakhulu
A lot
folks.
is still to happen. So we need to talk smart. Kunenzaba ya Shalulile folks. Shalulile, he's a free agent. Mamelodi Sundowns decided to say goodbye. Thank you for your service.
Yeah.
Hey, striker phela lesa.
Yeah.
Striker lesa. So bavele bamyekela Shalulile. Uthini ezaba le folks?
Noba yazi folks andgoni bamhlawumbe bamyekele kuba besithi hayi akasabaniki lento abayifunayo. But I think bamyekise kuba becinga like khona lo bakuthi i-role yokuba ne-foreigns kwi-club. So I think bayabona ukuthi okay sebene-space asisekho enough space sokuthi baphinde ba-add enye i-player from outside the country. So badecide bafumana decision, otherwise ushalile sesinye striker.
Top striker lesa. Usho ukuthi that had an impact ku decision Sundowns to let him go.
Surely folks, surely.
Ne.
Surely, because there are rumors ukuthi they will bring
Another striker.
another striker from other countries.
Oh, yeah. So they are basically opening a
A
space
space
for someone else.
for someone. Yeah.
Okay, it makes sense. So mawucabanga manje, what should happen, because there are rumors. I'm not sure if it's true. I didn't really deep dive into it. There are rumors that the Orlando Pirates might be chasing after Shalulile.
Yeah, there are rumors vele folks ukuthi okay, i-Pirates kahle ucoach we-Pirates ucoach Khali Wadu sekene contact with i-player himself Peter Shalulile. They are talking already, and then
Is
i-Pirates
this confirmed and verified, folks?
surely folks 100%. And then i-Pirates yona kuthiwa vele kahle is in an early stage. But i-Pirates iyenze clear ukuthi iyamfuna uShalulile Orlando Stadium. And then also there are talks zokuthi okay Dion Hoto beke bane-chat noShalulile over the move to Soweto Giants.
And that's his countryman.
Badlala bonke kuNamibia for iNamibia. So soon, very soon, Orlando Pirates will announce.
Pirates will be announcing.
Very soon, maybe this week or next week, but very soon Orlando Pirates will be announcing Peter Shalulile. And folks, trust me, i-Pirates will be on fire if bafumana Shalulile, because i-Pirates ibihleli isidinga strikers njengoShalulile.
Yeah, Pirates currently do not have a clinical striker like Shalulile.
Yeah.
We can't say Buduma is a striker who defended too much.
So
if the Pirates can get Shalulile,
no one can stop Pirates.
Because Shalulile, Orlando Pirates first of all last season created more chances than other team in the PSL.
Yeah,
and they lost. They have a lot of missed
I
opportunities.
I was surprised last season ukuthi xa kukhulunywa big chances missed. Number 1 uMbuthumo, number 2 Evidence Makgopa. I was very surprised. Ukuthi how siwine njani league against strikers. So
but then folks, will Shalulile fit to Orlando Pirates just in terms of the style of football there? Because this is not my opinion, it's the opinion of people that I see on socials, especially from our comments, right? people are arguing to say Orlando Pirates does not use strikers to win games. Hence why it's the team that has the most goals, but then they they don't necessarily score with strikers. So it shows that it doesn't use strikers. So what do you make of that?
Like for example, like if sijonga like ngokwe-playing style sigqize kakhulu kwi-playing style, you will find uba okay i-Pirates, that is why yagqibela ukuwina ileague ngo-2013
14 years ago.
20 yabo. So abantu they were happy ukubukela i-Pirates ikora ngomanyisa, ikora ngo-Andile Jali, ingakori ngezistrikers zabo. But if uya kwi-team eziwina ileague season after season, you will see izistrikers zabo ziyakora i-hat-trick, thole striker per season score more than 20 goals. That is why end up la team winning. Even if uchecka i-Pirates indlela iwina ngayo league last season, siwine nge-last game of which ngokwe-form ibidlala ngayo i-Pirates last season, bekufanele uba la league if izistrikers zethu besi-clinical in front of the goals, maybe la league ngesayawina within 5 games into spare.
Bamba folks. So do you think Shalulile is the player that we need going into a CAF? Because clearly right now our target is, so I'm saying our target, you already know I'm a Bakadia fan. Our target as Orlando Pirates is to win the CAF now, because here at home we've already won everything.
Everything.
Understand? So now we should be getting a second star. So Shalulile is the player that's going to get us the second star. Do you think also, to add to that question, I see we are signing players, more depth, but do you feel is the quality that we need to go compete, go CAF? Because ubonile na last season with Pumanjan as the Orlando Pirates, there's a lot of physicality involved.
Yeah.
Go CAF. So what's your take? Uyibona njani yonke le mpahla?
So for ngokokubona kwami, I think uShalulile ugood in terms of the physicality, height, pace, and everything nje ugood for ukudlala eAfrica uShalulile. Le nto ayitshilo ucoach Khali Wadu makuphela isizini last season, wathi udinga ii-players ezi-physically fit kwi-Pirates ezizokwazi ukukhompyutha pound for pound nee-players zase-Africa, so that we can be able to conquer i-Africa. And uShalulile, it's one of them, because at some point if ukhumbula i-Pirates the way eyaphuma ngayo last season kwi-Champions League, yayidlala i-football enhle i-Pirates, scoring goals, but then ii-goals ezakorwa, I remember khona iplayer eyangena for i-Pyramid, first touch yayo yaba yi-goal straight from the bench. Brilliant header. It was a header outside the box. So ibonisa i-height ne-physicality ye-players zethu ukuthi okay, we need to improve kwi-height ne-physicality yethu so that we can be able to compete ku-CAF.
Ngiyakubamba folks, ngiyakubamba. Then we have indzaba ya Riviero. The khona la ngifunze khona nje not long ago, Tiwa, he's a free agent. I think I even reported about this on my Facebook, on my personal Facebook account, that he's now a free agent. But then there's been issues in Sundowns, going on issues in the Jengaleto. Ngibambe lapho ukuthi what's happening.
Folks, Lucas Ribeiro siqale nje ukuthi Lucas Ribeiro zange i-Sundowns yam-announce ukuthi uhambile kwi-club. Siqale njalo, ayikho. Even if ayizange Sundowns announce, even if uya ku-official pages Mamelodi Sundowns, you can't find anything ethi Lucas Ribeiro uhambile ku-Sundowns. So singayiqala njalo nje indaba ka-Lucas Ribeiro. So beke busy izinto ezidibanisa namagqwetha and everything. So finally it was like So
Inside.
yeah, so finally usetlishile yonke into yakhe. He's now free. And angachoose noba yiphi football club afuna uyidlalela.
Okay.
So
That's good. That's good.
So
is there anything linking him to any club?
yeah, folks. Recently he was linked to a club ecoachwa ngucoach Rolani. And I thought uzawuhamba yodlalela yona, but twist yenzekile suddenly uRivero he's heading back to Mamelodi Sundowns and
Mamelodi Sundowns here after having issues with the club.
via ubuyela kuMamelodi Sundowns. And then there are rumors ukuthi already sekelendile eJohannesburg for medicals.
So medicals.
Yes. So soon Lucas Ribeiro uzaw announce as Mamelodi Sundowns player.
That's interesting. But I feel bekumela ngayi kuMamelodi Sundowns. Bekumela athole lenye team. Do you think that he's good, but do you think after all these issues that they had with the club, because these things they do have influence or impact on decision making as who gets to play when they're starting 11?
I think folks are maybe iyatsho kakuhle kamhlophe ukuthi okay i-issues zaRibeiro bekuzi-issues zakhe nocoach owayecoach uMamelodi Sundowns at that time. That is why kwazile uphinda abuye, meaning akanangxaki ne-management, akanangxaki ne-players and also everyone in the football club beside the coach, because now
but the coach decide who plays.
Yeah, but now coach wayecoach uRibeiro at that time wahamba, so uRibeiro is coming back.
Udodlala and
surely folks uzawudlala, because I know from my side, I know uRibeiro ukuthi he play njani.
Yeah, le player.
Equality all over. So uzawudlala ngakanjani folks.
Ngiyacabanga la folks. Olisanda.
Another one.
Sing story sir.
Another thing folks.
Ngifuna ukunatsela into indzaba yakhe Olisanda. Andava. Itsini indzaba yakhe?
There are rumors ukuthi Olisanda after be free kweStellenbosch under Kevin Hunt kweStellenbosch. So now Olisanda is linked with Mamelodi Sundowns.
So
a potential move to Mamelodi Sundowns is on the line. Oh, and folks, wow.
Ukuthi Olisanda uyaya and folks, I'm gonna ask you again. Is it verified?
Folks are verified. Olisanda. Maybe tonight, tomorrow, or that day. He'll be announced as Mamelodi Sundowns.
Please let us know. Stellan is shyly fact checking. Nisitshele lapho kuma-comments ukuthi is this member of Diski Parliament speaking the truth here, or is he bluffing us? Please let us know. And folks, njengoba sikhula so si-Diski Parliament and siyabonga sikhula nje i-support yethu, kumele kube ne-fact checker lapha ihlale lapha.
Yeah, verify everything.
Yeah, but folks, ngiyayitrusta i-information ephuma kuwe folks.
But folks, Olisanda uyaya kuSundowns, because even when he was at Pirates, bekukhona i-talks over uba okay undawo uyafuna eSundowns, uyafuna eSundowns. And if ukhumbula kahle folks, indlela ahambe ngayo Olisanda kuPirates, nguye wahamba ku-management wathi ucela terminate i-contract. After terminating i-contract wahlala for a very long time engadlali bhola, yabo. And then at that time uthe iSundowns beyivalile market bengasayi. Wathi ngibokhe udinga ba okay abambe some few minutes adlale nje kancinci, wasayina I think it was 3 months deal or 4 months deal neStellenbosch. Wasayina lo contract. After iphelile lo contract uphinde free agent again. And and we can't say asiyazi quality kandanga.
Quality.
Siyamazi undawo
That's why
bayiplay.
ngiyawara kancane ukuthi mase
I'm worried because each and every time iPirates ithengisa iplayer, leza players beyaze i-head iPirates. You can go and look for Olinda Mtambo uba bebenzani Pirates xa idlala nezikhukhula. Uhambe uyojonga each and every player I saw Pirates xa idlala nePirates bayasilimaza.
Kabuhlungu kakhulu. Then kune-team folks. Smart team ashaya ama-announcement left, right, center njengoba i-transfer but we barely see any announcement from Kaizer Chiefs. There's been a report that Nomjita Law
Ronald Lina
has signed with Kaizer Chiefs from Sekhukhune.
Yeah, he recently signed a contract. I think it's 2 or 3 year contract for Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, go goalkeeper right, folks. Goalkeeper right.
Is he better than Vuma? Because the Bam extended the contract.
Surely better than Vuma because Bekendlale squad not so long. I think against the game South Africa idlala nePanama at the HL Stadium, Cape Town.
Yeah.
Nguyo ngogoalkeeper, so iyakuxelela nje kakuhle mhlawumbe uba uyi-quality goalkeeper kwaba ayadlalela Bafana.
Senkingeni musima baphethe Peterson, what's the story?
Peterson, I don't know ukuthi ngomphi or by first choice ngomba by second choice between Peterson no Lina, but there must be a first choice and a second choice goalkeeper.
Then Nomjita Law, Keletso
Magalo
is linked to a move to Simba.
Go Sekhukhune to Simba. Yeah. And folks are Keletso Magalo is a very good player, very, very good player. I think he was in a very good form. It was last season. And he unayo cap under Hugo Bros Bafana. So
okay. Go World Cup qualifiers.
World Cup qualifiers, yeah. World Cup qualifiers. Why call?
That's good. Sure, quality.
Quality player kakhulu Keletso Magalo. And then Simba, one of the very, very good side. I like to watch Simba. Very, very, very good side. They play football with the high intensity. Iyabukela igame yeSimba, so I'm happy for Magalo to move.
And to obviously Simba is a good team. Do you think that experience yale Simba will influence at some point imbuyisele back
Bafana? Surely folks, surely if angaperforma kahle Simba, because the coach was Steve Barker.
Okay.
Yeah, I coach Steve Barker from Stellenbosch FC. Yes. So if angaperforma kahle phana, because I think there are 2 or 3 players from South Africa ezidlalela Simba. One of them nguMaema and Roshin Torek. Both of them are from Mamelodi Sundowns. And then now Magalo uyakhona, so
yeah, that's really great.
That's a very good move.
Ngifuna sivale ngelo ngoba ngeke sihlale singakhuluma ngayo. What's currently happening? Hugo Bros is back from the World Cup. He's given my hints or he wants to continue as a coach, but there's also news circulating around that they are being the SAFA is shortlisting potential candidate for my coach. And what I saw is that Pitso Mosimane is also in that list. Yeah, well, what do you make of the whole situation? So once update to team folks, what's the latest? What work?
Folks, lapho ke wayethile Hugo Bros before we even qualify for the World Cup. Wathi if usile ku World Cup kuyoba yona nto ezawumenza uba okay, at no, now ndiyavala football because I've done almost everything. Yabo. So wathi uzawuretire immediately after World Cup. So but now I think uphinde wathi ngendlela abona esidlala ngayo mhlawumbe ku-World Cup okanye wabona ukuthi okay wabona ukuthi okay there is a potential ukuthi angaphinda win e-AFCON. So wathi usadecide ba kahle kahle but everything isesezandleni zakhe. Any day angatshintsha aphinda athi okay but uyayeka as Bafana coach. But there are also rumors ukuthi uPitso Mosimane is right behind Hugo Broos for esasihlanu.
Yeah, because also Mbonile like my socials the sports minister I'm back up ukuthi vele he feels Pitso is the guy to lead our boys.
But folks there are some like kuno tsalwana amongst fans and abathandi bebhola eSouth Africa nabo bangacommenta with this because abanye bathi uPitso Mosimane akekho good for iBafana Bafana.
He once did coach iBafana Bafana and he didn't do good.
Bekakhona I think it was 2019 or I mean 2010 or 2009 between bekakhona ku-staff seBafana Bafana at that time and zange enze kahle. So abantwana bayasho bathi no uPitso Mosimane akekho good for iBafana Bafana.
But he has great experience, which is valuable.
Yeah, experience inga good for but data is tactics ne football edlalayo at some point. And then nokuthi apa South Africa we say icacile ukuthi the only way iBafana Bafana ingasucceed for ukuthi sibe no coach who really don't understand football culture lapha eMzansi.
Who don't understand. That's the only way we can win.
That's the very only way we can win.
How so? I disagree, but I like to understand.
Watch into enzengo Hugo Broos. Hugo Broos
ufike ngayo. Does he understand our culture?
No,
he doesn't.
No.
Okay. And but he achieved a lot. So that's what.
Because the moment you understand the culture eMzansi, you uzawufila happy just to watch players ezijikeleza nebhola midfielder not passing. You will feel happy just to watch players ezidlalela or camera folks. That's it. But if ungucoach osuka ngaphandle you go to Loftus Veldford ufike uhlale ubukele imatch eMamelodi Sundowns against Siwelele and then you will see ukuthi okay Tariq Matthews is a very good player. You select Matthews. You go to Kaizer Chiefs versus Milford. You will see ukuthi okay Duduzi Shabalala is a very good player. You select. But the moment you understand ibhola yaseMzansi, you feel pressure ye-fans ukuthi select ubani. That is why succeed kangaka as Bafana just because Hugo Broos akamameli indethelwa ze-fans. They can say select ubani. At the end of the day Hugo Broos select players thembani. Ahlale back. Consistency throughout zonke tournaments akadlale Hugo Broos. Not like chop. No, because if folks uyafika ucreate Bafana Bafana as ucoach waseMzansi, maybe ngesingamazi bukhulusa Madawu number 1 right back eMzansi because ngeba waselectwa once ngo-2021 now sekuselectwe omunye umuntu just because of kuselectwa ubani uperforme kanjani le 3 games of which that's not it.
Okay, except folks Leo, I understand. I mean, my view was coach has to understand our players, the culture has to understand the language so that at least ukhona nalo easily develop personal relationship nalama players, which I feel is essential for i-growth yawo lama player ne-confidence also yalama player man understand to that level yabo. But I think the way we explaining akhona understand fully because if you understand the culture yala ekhaya ngiyofuna ukuqhubeka ngidlale le style sala ekhaya which is what the people want. But if I come in with a different mentality lokuthi because nama player la performa not la thanzwa
Yeah, because Hugo Bruce, if you were watching AFCON, it was AFCON 2019 or 2018 or 2017. Yeah, it's like 2017, 2018. Apho waye champ neCameroon. Ndandiyibukele kakuhle la AFCON leya because phakule AFCON leya khona ii-players ezininzi wayezishiya ngemva. Abantu baseCameroon babekhala. Like, why you didn't select ubani, you didn't select ubani. Lo AFCON leyo uHugo Bruce even in that final wayeza behind yakora kuqala Egypt in that final bembhuwa bethini wakora uVincent Abubakar yawina eCameroon. So iyakuvezela uba uHugo Bruce ungucoach onjani,
Quality.
ungucoach ofuna uba okay siyadlala ibhola but i-results at the end mabe nguwini. Hayi ba sidla like for example now sesinayo i-tendency yokuthi thina sithi okay sidlalile iphelile imatch, we'll just point at individuals. Yo ubani odlalile. We are happy just because we're watching Mbokazi doing wonders. What about the national team?
But overall spetsing.
What about the national team? We are just happy for Mbokazi udlale kakuhle. We are happy for Ukhuliso Mudau bafake 2 yechibo in quick succession. Like isinceda ngantoni as national team lonto. So mentality and then the cultures emzansi.
And this is food for thought for everyone, Bafethu. So meditate on this, think about it, and let us know in the comments with the information that we just shared. Folks, nyalo sekumele vele sale
sesivala
and folks angathi tawumele ivalwe ngoba wena ukabingeleli.
Okay.
Ngofaka under the bus.
Okay. Diske Parliament guys, sibonge ngokuthi nisikhuphule. Iyakhuphuka iDiske Parliament guys. Ngo-like wakho, share everything, like subscribe, follow the page go YouTube. So guys, we are really appreciate everything that you did for us guys. Masimthembe lona thethayo.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you folks. Siyabonga kakhulu Bafethu. As Masimthembe already said, please do like this video, share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot. Thank you Bafethu. See you on the next episode as always.